Hello everyone, welcome back to a new lesson. Well, in today's lesson, we are gonna look at singular and plural nouns. There are two forms of nouns in English language, singular and plural. Singular denotes one thing and plural denotes more than one. It can either be two, three, or more than that. We also call them numbers. So if somebody asks you how many numbers are there in English, you may simply answer two, singular and plural. The plural of nouns is generally formed by adding s to the singular. For example, boy, boys, pen, pens, girl, girls, book, books. But those nouns ending in s, sh, ch or x form the plural by adding es to the singular. For example, class, classes, kiss, kisses, dish, dishes, match, matches, branch, branches, text, texts. Most nouns ending in o also form the plural by adding es to the singular. For example, mango, mangoes, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, echo, echos. A few nouns ending in o merely add s. For example, canto, cantos, piano, pianos, photo, photos, commando, commandos. Nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant form their plural by replacing y with ies. For example, baby, babies, lady, ladies, city, cities, pony, ponies. Some nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by ves. For example, thief, thieves, wife, wives, life, lives, knife, knives. Other words ending in f or fe add s in the end, as chief, chiefs, safe, saves, proof, proves, handkerchief, handkerchiefs. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. For example, man, man, woman, woman, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. There are a few nouns that form their plural by adding en to the singular. For example, ox, oxen, child, children. Some nouns have the singular and the plural alike. For example, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, aircraft, aircraft. Some nouns are used only in the plural form. For example, scissors, trousers, annals, arms. Some nouns look plural but they are actually singular. For example, mathematics, physics, electronics, news. Certain collective nouns, though singular in form, are always used as plural. For example, poultry, cattle, vermin, pupil, gentry. I hope this was a helpful lesson for you to develop your understanding about the singular and plural noun in English language. Thanks for watching.